This is Heat 5 of event 218 swimming in lane 0. Tara Alina of Sharpedo Swim Team. Lane number 1, De Los Reyes Isabel of Swim Solo Club. Lane number 2, Tanierla Jehane of Sharpedo Swim Team. Lane number 3, Bagsit Maria of C-Star Swimming Club. Lane number 4, Adukul Micaela of Exalt Swimming Club. Lane number 5, Apostol Alpe of Exalt Swimming Club. Lane number 6, Kaliat Lawrence of C-Star Swimming Club. Lane number 7, Livio Advent Joy of Perpetual Sports Academy. Lane number 8, Rivera Syra of Squalis Aquatic Swimming Team. And lane number 9, Tolentino Rafaela of Swimming Solo Club. We would like to inform you that there were disqualification in event number 217, heat number 5, lane 0, and lane number 4. And event number 217, heat number 3, lane 7.